Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing the Christmas tag challenge. I'm going to be answering 10 questions about Christmas. So before we jump into it, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell if you have not already so you guys don't miss what's happening. Also stay tuned because at the end I'm going to be tagging some awesome creators. So let's just jump right into it. Question number 1. What was your favorite Christmas gift as a child? I'm not 100% sure about this one, but I think that it was when I got my CD Walkman. But I took that thing everywhere. TLC, Usher, mixed CDs, like those things were just bumping in my ears everywhere, even though it was big and I had nowhere to hide it or like carry it. Question number 2. Do you bake around the holidays? If so, what? Yes, I do bake. This year the kids and I decided on baking shortbread cookies, Rice Krispie treats, and chocolate chip cookies this year. Number 3, do you have any Christmas Day traditions? If so, what are they? Well, pre-COVID, we would normally wake up, open some presents, have a bomb breakfast. Like I'm talking about everything like pancakes, fruits, bacon, eggs, potatoes, orange juice, hot chocolate milk, whatever. And then we would go and visit my grandmother's house as a tradition. Most years when I could make it, but this year we're not doing a family gathering, so. Number 4, did you have a real tree or fake tree as a kid, and do you have a fake or real tree now? Well, this tree behind me right now is fake. Growing up, I never had a real tree, but it's definitely something that I do want to do in the near future. Number 5, what is your favorite Christmas movie? Anybody that knows me or has been on the channel long enough knows that my favorite Christmas movie is The Nightmare Before Christmas. Jack Skellington is my dude. But I want to know, comment down below what your favorite Christmas movie is. Number 6, what's your favorite Christmas family activity? For sure, it'd have to be playing board games. Like just all evening and night of playing board games. There's just nothing wrong with a little bit of healthy, fun family competition. I love board games. The kids actually started playing Catan this year. If you guys don't know what Catan is, awesome game, but we are loving that. Number 7, what is your favorite thing about Christmas? My favorite thing about Christmas would have to be a combination of the decorations, the music, the festive feels, certain activities that we can do up here in Canada, which is like skating, and I love spending time with my family. Number 8, what is your favorite Christmas song or Christmas carol? So I have so many Christmas songs. Maybe I'll post like a Christmas playlist. I find that I'm listening to This Christmas by Chris Brown on repeat this year. I don't know what it is, just I'm having so much fun listening to that one this year. Number 9, do you drive around and look at Christmas lights and decorations? I actually never added this one as like a traditional things to do. I would normally just drive around and see them, but not intentionally just to look at Christmas lights. But I am so open to even trying it this year, considering there's limited things you can do with COVID being around for 2020. And number 10, when do you start decorating for Christmas and take down your decorations? So normally I like to have the Christmas tree up on, if not November 1st, the first week of November. Unfortunately, I was kind of late this year. I couldn't find all of my Christmas decorations, but we had it up by the end of November. So I don't think I'm gonna take it down until the first week of December. When do you guys take down your Christmas trees and put them up? Wow, that was fun. That was awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So I'm gonna tag a few creators down below. I am calling out Kamea Nate, The Life with Cleo, The Driver Sensei, Callie Mazai, Cubs Den, Rona Vlog, Life with Darty, and Mr. and Mrs. Anavalo. Happy holidays, guys. I will see you in the next video. Stay awesome.